Hello and welcome to my channel. My name is Onye and I'm a beauty vlogger, a Nigerian beauty vlogger. If you're just tuning into my channel, you're welcome. If you've been here before, you are also welcome. In this video I'll be showing you how I achieve this nude look with a bit of glitter and some color. I think we've been used to nude looks just being nude, so here I'm just going to be adding a bit of color, to give it an oomph effect. And basically, please don't forget to like, share, comment, and also subscribe to my video. And basically, we'll just get right into the video after this. So the first thing I'm going to be doing is to apply my Elegant Pro Prep HD Face Primer all over my face. I've already done my eyebrows. If you want to know how I did this, you should check out my other videos on how I do my eyebrows. And I'm going to be applying this shade from my Bulb palette as my first transition color. As I noted earlier, I'm going for a very super natural look. I didn't mean supernatural, I meant super natural. And I'm going to go further by applying this brown shade as another transition shade. It may not be quite visible in the video, but it was visible while I was doing it. And then I'm going to take my Elegant Pro Concealer in Porcelain, and I'm going to use this as my eyeshadow primer or eye primer as a base for my eyeshadow. And I'm just brushing this out to even out the coat over my eyelids. I'm going to be applying this beige shade and tapping that over my eyelid. And you can see I'm tapping it in. I'm not rubbing it all over. And then I'm going to dip in my crease with this color from another palette that I use. I'll put the name in the video up here, and I'm just using that to dip in my crease area. And I'm also taking another color from that same palette, and I'm using to line up under my waterline area just to smoke it out. And I'm taking a brown gel liner, and I'm using that to draw a winged liner over my eyelid. I use brown because I don't want something too dark. As I said, this is a supernatural look, so I'm using brown instead of black. And I'm applying powder under my eyelid just to catch any glitter that falls on my face, and so that it's not glued to my face. So I'm using that red glitter, and what I'm doing first is applying adhesive over that eyeliner I had drawn earlier. And here I'm already applying the glitters on it. Take your time while doing this. This is a fast forwarded video, so you need to imagine that it is as simple as just doing a simple eyeliner. And then I'm taking my Davis pencil. It's a double colored pencil in green, and I'm using that to line my waterline area. Just part of adding that color. And I'm just brushing my mascara on my eyelashes, my natural lashes by the way. And I'm taking this brush from Beauty Blender Co. I'm going to be using the Maybelline Matte Fit Me Foundation in 338, and I'm just tapping that into my skin till I can get some evenness all over my face. And I'm going to be using my Elegant Pro Concealer in Fawn as my highlight shade, and I'm just applying this below my eye area on my nose bridge. This will be extended to my head, my forehead area. I'm going to apply it to my cupid's bone area, and finally to my chin. And I'm blending them with my spoon-like brush. I like this brush because it does the job well. I'm just going to blend all of those highlighted areas. I'm going to apply my Hello Purple Concealer and Mahogany to contour the bridge of my nose, my forehead area, the middle of my cupid's bone area, and then the middle of my cheekbones. And I'm going to use that same spoon-like brush to blend it out to prevent any harsh lines from just showing up on my face. I don't intend to look like a masquerade after this. And here I'm already applying my Zaran face powder, my Parangus powder, to set the highlighted areas of my face. And while that is still baking, I'm going to line my lips with this Milai pens in brown, nothing too dark. And I'm applying my Zaran Luxurious Lip Gloss, which is quite pigmented in a natural shade. So this is like a brownish gold. And once I've done this, I'm just brushing off the excess powder with my kabuki brush. I don't even know the name of this kabuki brush, but I know I got it and I think it does a good job. And I'm also setting my contour area on my face. And I'm going to be applying this highlighter from my Black Radiance palette to highlight my cheeks, to highlight my chin, my forehead, and my nose bridge. And I'm just setting my face with my setting spray. And this is the finished look, natural look with some bling. So basically this is the finished look. And please like my video, please share my video, please comment down below if you have any comments, suggestions, or any questions, and do not forget to subscribe, and I will definitely see you in my next video. Bye.